At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst with Farms.com Risk Management, with this week's Farms.com Hog Report. According to the USDA, last week's federally inspected slaughter, or FIS, was 2.166 million head. This is about 1.5% higher compared to the week prior FIS, and 0.5% lower than the FIS for the same week last year. Total red meat production for the week ending Saturday, January 22nd, 2011 was estimated at 948.8 million pounds. This is 1% higher than the total red meat production a week ago and 1.8% lower compared to the same week last year. According to last week's USDA meat production report, cumulative meat production year-to-date was 3.3% lower compared to the previous year, and in the same report, cumulative pork production year-to-date was 1.1% lower compared to the same week in 2010. Stocks of pork bellies were up 35% from last month and down 10% from the year prior, better than expectations of 60 million pounds. Total pounds of loins were up 1.4% higher than last month and up 3.2% from November of 2009. Ribs were 22.6% higher than a month prior and down 15% versus a year ago. Hams dropped by 33.2% from last month, but increased by 33.9% from the same period last year. Good news for Iowa pork producers. Iowa pork exports soared to top $1 billion in the first 11 months of 2010. This is the highest recorded number in Iowa's history, and this doesn't even account for those completed in December. Major purchasers of the other white meat from Iowa included Japan at $440 million, Mexico at $126 million, and Canada at $119 million US. Iowa currently exports pork to 43 countries around the globe. According to U.S. Governor Terry Branstad, market expansion to Asia will be critical to export growth in future years. Strong exports are an essential contributing factor to the success of the pork industry. So bottom line, December pork production is up 3.6%, but down overall for the year versus 2009. Lower supplies and higher demand stimulated by an improving economy are the primary reasons for the higher pork prices. Hog futures continued to rise to new contract highs, with June 2011 futures trading as high as $99.40 US per carcass. Look for these prices to go even further. And finally, the summer grilling season should continue to see record retail pork prices at the retail level. That's all for this week. Have a great weekend.